The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Jade plant is very common and versatile house plant. It could be used in hanging baskets or could be made into a bonsai. So let's learn to propagate and care for our jade plant. Jade plant is a succulent plant, which means it stores water in its leaves and stem. As a succulent plant, it needs a little amount of moisture and a good amount of sunlight to thrive. As you can see, this plant has produced very good amount of branches and sub-branches. We need to trim some of them so we could propagate the plant. Before propagation, we will fill the pot with the potting mix. For that, I am taking normal garden soil, compost and river sand in equal proportions. But you could grow this plant in just normal garden soil. Just keep in mind that the soil is well drained and does not hold water. Now comes the trimming part. You can just trim the plant as you like and take cuttings from it. Make sure you do not over trim the plant. The cuttings should be long enough so that you can propagate them easily.
fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon.
Now our cuttings are ready to be propagated. As you can see, there are two types of cuttings. Some are green cuttings and some are brown cuttings. Here, green cuttings are very easy to propagate, but the brown cuttings are little hard to be propagated. To propagate green cuttings, we need to remove some leaves from the bottom just to expose the nodes of the cuttings. The cuttings are ready to be planted. Here I already had a hanging basket which was a little empty. So I decided to plant the cuttings directly in it. For planting the cuttings, never press them directly against the soil. First make little wells and gently place the cuttings in it. Cover them with soil and give them a gentle press.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun
Now we will propagate brown cuttings, which are little harder, but I have a trick for you. For propagating them, you need to injure a little portion of the cutting, like this.
6 hours later.
Yes, you heard it right. After planting the cutting, you need to water it after 6 hours, which means if you plant them in the morning, you need to water it during the evening, and vice versa. As it is a succulent plant, immediate watering will lead to its rotting. After 6 hours, you need to water it thoroughly to ensure that the soil is evenly moist. Keep the plant in semi-shaded area for a week, and after a week the plant will start developing its roots. As you can see, I planted these cuttings 2 weeks before, and see how they have developed their roots. Here's a little update on my bitter gourd. It is producing a decent amount of harvest, and also you can see that spider lily flowering over there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please mention your views in the comment section below and let me know if you have any confusions. My name is Vishal and thank you so much for watching the video. I'll be back soon. Till then, stay curious.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands.